Now, ready to make their splash. This definitely not an idol group. It's about to hype everyone with their energetic performance. SM, balikan sa akin, smoking ngayon ulit! Let's hear it for Sushi, Ju, and Sunny of Muskis!
Let's clap! Hello, Idol fans! Are you ready to make some noise? Hello, everybody! 나도 네가 이미 주의로 기회가 시더라 나를 더 그만해버리겠네 Hello guys!
Yes!
こんにちは、私の名前はさーにあなたの1なんですよ。はい、よろしくお願いします。ミューズキスのさえと申します。次ははい、From me to you, Roju! Hi everyone, my name is Ju and I'm used to part of this game. Let's go! 次ははい、皆さん Also first time in OZ. Yeah, first time! Yeah, tama yun. Can I just share a little story? What? Wala kasi practice namin MC, pero parang andito lang ako last week kasi naghahanap ako ng laptop, tapos ngayon andito na ako para mag-perform. So that's a very different feeling. So thank you, OZ, for having us.
Yes, thank you so
Thank you
much,
everyone
OZ.
for watching.
Are we ready to start Ozing Idol Fest with a bang? Yeah! So please get ready because we have more performances lined up for you tonight. Are you guys excited?
At saka ibang performers aside from us. So please
Yeah.
keep your energy up.
Yes, please. Marami pa po kaming songs for
Yes.
you. Yeah. And we'd like to also welcome back Sushi! For those who don't know, she has been on
Vacation week.
vacation.
For quite a while.
Yeah. How is your how's it been performing ever since?
Yeah, siya ay nalulunod sa pagkakayod ng pera katulad ng karamihan dito.
Yeah. So with that, since Sushi, since you're still, you just came back, why don't you start off with a solo performance?
Yes!
Guys, do you want to see a solo performance from Sushi?
I guess.
Is anyone ready?
Yeah!
Can I hear? Yeah! So, Sushi, are you ready?
Ready na sila?
Ayan, since ready na kayo,
Let's go!
Sushi, onegaishimasu.
お願いしますソロパフォーマンス、ゆししさんです。
Fire!
ということで、素晴らしい演奏でしたね。セシンさん、どうちょっとインタビューさせていただいていきます。How are you feeling? Mukhang grabe yung audience natin. Parang talagang nag-deserve sila ng energy for today. Yes. Arigatou gozaimasu.
Masaya ulit.
Masaya ulit pag may hinta.
Masaya ulit na mag-perform dito. Mag-perform ulit kasama itong mga to.
Sugoy. Kinikilig mga bading.
I told you what you did.
At dahil dyan, may susunod akong solo performance from our next member. And magandang function to, so keep your energy up.
Yes.
Dahil for our next song, we have from June!
Ready ba kayong tumalon?
tubig.
Ay, okay lang yan na. Ay, wala, sorry. Hindi, okay lang.
Yeah. Ano interview? Ano?
Ang interview po natin ngayon
Yes.
is, bakit na po may tubig ka?
Seryoso? As you can see guys, meron kaming color-coded na
Ito po
tubigan.
yung tubig niya.
Pero pinili niya pa rin inumin, hindi kanya.
Sorry.
Ano ako, delirious ako ngayon.
May gusto siya. Yan.
Bading. O, tignan mo, akala ko sa... Ay, joke lang. Uy, hindi ako nagsisabi.
Tahimik ka dyan! I Anyways, guys.
Bakit maingay po dyan?
Yeah. Anyway, guys, are you ready for one more performance?
Ito, for sure, abang-abangan niyo ito. So mag-ready na kayo guys.
Oo.
Nasa? Hi!
Sunny!
Sunny!
Come down to the stage.
Come up yan eh. Come up, di ba?
Basta up yun! Let's make some noise for Sunny, guys!
Oh, kinsansuru. Huwag niyo ako masyadong seryosohin, guys. I'm just here to be a comedian. But, nang tanatsuru. So for my solo song, if you guys know Who Knows Love Live? これは誰でしょうこれ誰でしょうこれ誰でしょう
Sorry, Dad. Ayoko na, na-pressure na ako at hindi na ako makakanta.
Pero, 説明ゆきさんのチェイスです。お願いします。
this.
Ayan,
Thank you.
Sally! Galing mo! Ayan, dahil dyan may premyo ka, dupit, inom ka muna.
Inuwan mo din.
Pwede din. Anyways, guys, did you enjoy our performances lately? Yeah.
If you enjoy, please consider going to our booth.
We have a book over there. We have merch finally, guys. May merch kami.
Please consider to support us.
Yes, and also please support Muskis. Ayan, if you scan this QR code, this our social, ayan, Muskis. Ayan, Muskis.
Hindi po yan MG skills.
Lagi Muskis. Oo. So ayan, yes. So please consider supporting us. So ayan. Then, yes.
We're down to our final songs.
Oh.
With an S.
Oh.
Songs.
Ano to?
So ano ba ang meron? Dali.
Ano meron? Linggo ngayon, tapos Idol Fest sa SM North.
Hindi, ano may mga songs kasi.
Songs. Alam niyo yun? Basta.
So,
Mga sumikat na kanta
The past few years.
the past few years.
Baka alam nyo to, guys. So if alam nyo to, please.
enjoy.
Enjoy, sing along. Kung gusto niyo sumayaw, pwede rin. Basta huwag niyo siguro yung mga kanino. Salamat po.
Yes. So,
Okay, say.
please get ready for our last song.
RNG, yes, RNG po
Yeah.
itong mga songs natin.
Yeah. Let's go!
Panalo sa kaibigan mo, tuwan. Tagal lang laban namin.
Hoy, ito na po.
Ayan, ayan, ayan.
Tinatakbo na po, tinatakbo na. Tinatakbo na.
Dito, oh. Dito, oh.
Ayan, guys, dito tayo tumingin kay staff at kay isa at kay host. Ayan.
Ayan. So, makikita na yung pagmumukha niyo sa picture rin namin. Dali po po sa
Ayan.
amin.
Si host namin to, guys.
Oh, sige lang ito.
Okay, anong gusto niyo host? Ayan, ayan, yun na ito na.
Yeah.
Peace.
Pizza, pizza, pizza.
Okay. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Okay, 모이카시오. 1, 2, 3, 치즈. Okay, jump shot, jump shot.
Jump shot, wag.
Wag, bawal.
Ay, kung video, okay lang.
Ay, pwede video.
Ayan.
Kanya po niyan.
Kayo yan. Ano sa'yo? Ozin Idol Fest? Okay yan?
Okay.
Sabihin natin, Ozin Idol Fest. Yun to.
Oh, ano? Sige, sabihin mo.
Yan, sabihin natin na. Ayan. Music at Ozin Idol Fest.
Okay. Music.
Music at Ozin Idol Fest.
Oo.
Okay, may first ka na ba?
May quiz mamaya. May quiz mamaya.
Okay.
Jo.
Saan tayo?
Sa gitna nilang dalawa.
Sige na lang. Okay. Alright. Ready? Set up. Music at Ozin Idol Fest. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you, guys.
Mabuhay kayo. Maraming salamat sa inyo.
Ayan, sagot natin.
Ay, yun lang po yung nanay na kapatid.
Yes, thank you, guys.
Yes. Also, we are handing out flyers.
Ayan.
Ano ka na? Ay,
Ayan, thank you very much, Newskies! Palakpakan ulit natin sila!
Thank you po.
And before you go, we
Before
have
you go.
the certificate of appreciation. Thank you very much for joining Ozin Island.
Thank you po. Ayan.
Picture muna tayo.
Sige po.
Picture.
Ay, isang yan.
Tingin kay Kuya Raika. Let's go. Can we get one for our staff as well? Where's our staff? Our staff.
Staff relations.
went missing. Hi. Dewa. Mikai show. Okay. Ayaw
Thank you so
po.
much.
Thank you
Thank
po.
you po.
Thank you so much. Come visit us there. Thank you.
Thank you.